What is up? It is Jordan from By 9 to 5, helping you say goodbye to your 9 to 5. Today we're going to go through a really cool case study where I'm going to show you guys how somebody has really blown up their channel literally in one day, has gotten enough subscribers and watch time in one day to get to the monetization numbers you need, and has made close to $300 already, and it's only 2 p.m. today, and that came from pretty much nothing all the way up to that point. So we're gonna go through a case study here. It's by my friend's channel, and that will remain nameless at this time, but I'm still gonna go through and I'm gonna show you guys what has happened. Alright, so as you guys know, Alex Jones got his channel removed from YouTube, right? So somebody jumped on that right away and decided to post a video, because obviously that's going to be hot news, right? It's going to be super, super hot news. So this particular channel had already been monetized, not by going through the review process, but by the other way that my advanced masterclass, which is linked in the description, got him monetized instantly, like I said. So that channel teaches how you can get monetized instantly, and so that channel got monetized instantly without having to go through the review process. And then today they capitalized on that whole controversy by posting a video that was a statement by him, and they posted that up, and so I'll just show you exactly what happened here. So what happened is, okay, if you search this here, you're gonna see a bunch of ranked videos by this channel right here. Okay, WWE Shoots. And so this is the one that was posted last night that got the ball rolling. Okay, 83,000 views, and actually has more than that. So we'll go and we'll click on the channel here, and I'll show you what I mean. Alright, so as you can see here, there were these two videos that, you know, I'm not sure how they actually got the views on that, but anyways, that doesn't matter. They got monetized instantly by doing what I teach in the advanced course, right? And so then they started trying to do a couple of wrestling ones when they actually did pretty well. And so as you can see, 303 and then 1,993 on the second video, so that's pretty good. 615, 134, 169. Then they decided to do this, right? And they had only posted a few videos, and actually that's not a bad amount of views. And then look at this right here, 22 hours ago, 95,069 views. 22 hours. That is called jumping on a trend, guys. 5,223, 1,524, posted an hour ago, and these are already blowing up as well. And so, basically, overnight, okay, if you multiply 95,000, so just this one video. So, if you want to talk about watch time, we'll say every video was watched for 8 minutes. So, we'll say this is a 13-minute video, 95,069 views on it. So, we'll say each person watched that 8 minutes. So, 8 minutes times 95,069. is 760,000 watch minutes. So if you divide that by 60, you're going to get watch hours. 12,000 watch hours in 22 hours. Basically from nothing, okay? Because he had about 1,000 subscribers, and I think those came, and I don't think those subscribers actually, you know, watched these videos, because I think they were gained by a different method or whatever. But, so basically, I don't think their viewers really watch any of these videos, right? And then these new ones that were picked up are just wrestling fans, so they're not going to even watch these. So these are all brand new views from pretty much none of the subscribers. Overnight, 12,000 watch hours, okay? So that's 3 times the amount you need in one video in 22 hours. And 1,700. So they had around 1,000 subscribers. And then last night, they got over 1,700 subscribers. So that would get you the numbers right there. And I'm not saying that these are the videos you should be posting or shouldn't be posting. All I'm doing is giving you an example of how viral a video can go if you do it correctly. So, you know, 12,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers on one video, basically from nothing, because these, again, were from different, you know, these weren't, like, I don't think real views, if I'm studying this channel correctly. So these were not, like, real views, okay? These are the only ones that were real views, starting here. And these didn't even get enough to really, you know, I mean, they were decent, but not to get the ball rolling. So this is pretty much from nothing, 12,000 watch hours. None of those were bought. None of those were, you know, it was just literally from going viral. And so let me show you this, okay? I posted this earlier. WWE Shoots now has 11,626 clicks today. Okay, so all you do is take the clicks multiplied by about 3 cents. This one says CPC 2 cents, so that's probably going to be about 2.5 cents. So we'll multiply by 0.025, 2.5 cents. That's how much money has been made already today alone on those couple of videos. $290 already, basically from nothing. Because you study this channel, none of those really made much money probably. So basically just from today, just from literally posting 1, 2, 3, basically from 3 videos, because these ones are just getting started. From 3, 4, kind of 5 videos in a day, $300. Okay, so hopefully that gives you guys an example of how easy this can be. And I'm not saying this is the kind of videos you should post. I'm not saying any of that. I'm just saying my friend, WWE Shoots, did a really good job of jumping on a trend and making some money out of it. He is probably going to make $700-800 today, and then if he keeps it going for the next month, he could easily make a year's salary this month just off of this. And I believe he has some other channels, but this is just one that he's working on right now, just trying to get it to grow a little bit, seeing what he can do, kind of experimenting. Always got to experiment, right? So for all of you who say these things are not possible, they're definitely possible. If you do it correctly, jump on the trends, and videos go viral that quickly. Alright, I think that's all I have for this one. I'm out. Hopefully this guys kind of explains to you guys kind of how these things can work if you put them into action correctly. And of course, this channel probably wouldn't have made it through a review process. It might have, who knows. But since that Alex Jones guy is kind of in trouble with YouTube right now, I'm sure that if you use his videos, they would probably not let you get through the review or whatever. But by using my advanced masterclass, he was able to get monetized instantly and didn't have to worry about the reviews. So, that's in the description if you want to see that. But that's it for this video, man. Hopefully this gives you a little bit of an idea of what is possible and kind of gets your mind going with, okay, here's how you get a video to go viral. Not that hard. 12,000 watch hours and over 1,700 subscribers in 22 hours, guys. All just from one viral video. Alright, I'm out. Thanks a lot for watching. Peace.